Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. So I don't really have anything like lined up or planned for this video. I just really wanted to talk about everything that's been going on in my life. So if you guys follow me on any type of social media, then you would have seen that I recently left my full-time job. So after 4.5 years I left Benefit Cosmetics, which is still does not feel real to me. It's just all been a blur over the past couple of weeks. And on the day that I left Benefit, I also launched my own website, MakeupBySaz.com, and literally just on cloud nine right now. I am so happy. Everything is finally coming together, and I know I've been kind of on and off YouTube and I haven't really been consistent with it. I've been saying, oh, I'm back for good now, and then I disappear for another couple of weeks, and I've been just like back and forth all the time. It's just been really hard. I've just got so much going on. You know, it was an amazing experience for me. I also had so many master classes with Benefit and also so many amazing opportunities as well. But as you guys know, in the last year or two, I've just been like all over the place. I knew I wasn't happy, didn't know where I was going career-wise. You guys know I went back to college to study marketing, which was amazing as well, and actually everything is weirdly enough coming together. So you knew I wasn't happy, and I started doing things to change that. And I truly believe that if you're not happy in your current situation, whether it's in your life, your job, your career, your relationship, anything, change it, especially while you're young. Change it, even though that's not really an excuse. I think at any age, if you're unhappy in your current situation, you need to change it. You need to take control, but especially when you're young, because I mean, the world is your oyster. So yeah, I'm starting a new job. I'm actually starting on Wednesday, and I'm really excited about that, really nervous. It's a lovely little salon with the most amazing people. I've worked with them before, such beautiful people inside and out. I'm going to have the opportunity to build up my own client base again, and also hopefully a few of you guys that do already come to me will follow me, or at least keep in contact, because I've built up amazing relationships with my clients, and I've also made amazing friends as well. So I really do genuinely hope that you guys do stay in contact. Oh my god, I'm all over the place. So like there's literally like no script or nothing for this video. I'm just like going with it. So yeah, I'm working there part-time, and then also I'm going to be going like full-time with my business. So you guys know I started up my own kind of franchise beauty brand or skincare brand over 1.5 years ago, which is going incredibly well. I'm truly passionate about the products that I work with, and I just wanted to bring everything together, which is why I launched my own website. So on the website I have obviously my products. I have a section if you want more information how we can work together. I have a blog section, so I've relaunched my blog, which has been just so crazy because I never thought I was really the blogging person. When I first started my blog, back in the day, I was doing beauty in college, and writing is just not me. I found it really hard to connect with my blog, and YouTube was amazing because I'm more like visual and more vocal, and I like to show and like tell kind of thing. I find it a lot hard. I've never been good at English and essays and things like that, so I always found writing a little bit more difficult. But something just told me that the time is now, and I just wanted to help people. So my blog is going to be focus a lot around empowering women. I'm going to be doing obviously skincare vlogs. I'm going to be doing I'm going to be incorporating in my makeup videos into my website as well, which I have a section for, and reviews and everything. Still going to continue on as normal here on YouTube, just linking everything back to my website. YouTube is a little bit tough at the minute. It's hard to maintain views and boost your views, and it used to be a really exciting platform, but like as the weeks went on and the months went on, I was dropping so many viewers, and it was heartbreaking for me, because after building a channel for over 8 years and building an amazing subscriber base, it was all slowly taken away from me by YouTube's algorithms, and that really hurt. It did hurt, and it still hurts. So like so much work goes into a video, especially a makeup video. the planning, the creating, the product shots, the editing, the uploading, the, you know, social media, everything. And I remember I used to be up to like 5 o'clock in the morning editing my video, getting it up for Friday, and then I'd go into work. I'd be up at 7 a.m. and go straight into work then. So that's how passionate I was about YouTube, and I still am, but it is really hard to keep that motivation when you feel like all your hard work has been taken from you. So that is another reason why I kind of took a step back from YouTube, because even though I love it and I always have the passion for it, and it's not about views or anything like that, but it is very, very disheartening. I know my makeup is really natural today. I just did this live video on my Facebook beauty group. It's a recreation of Meghan Markle's wedding makeup. I just loved how beautiful, natural it was. You know, I focused on the eyes and then kept the skin very, very natural. So I do hope you like this look. But yeah, that's pretty much it, guys. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you guys very soon. Bye!